16 kilometers, halfway where I'm supposed to walk today. Started at 7. It's almost 12. 20 to 12. It's been so windy I couldn't even use the drone. I used it once. I could hardly speak into the microphone because the wind was so strong again. Here it's a bit better. It's not so open here, as you can see. Getting up to 1,300 something meters above sea level. And it's gonna be a long day. It's gonna be a long day. Good dinners yesterday also. Spoke a lot about Pacific Crest Trail with that 75-year-old American that's here. He had done half of it. And I asked where to start if he got 2 months. He gave me some advice, which I'm grateful for. Drank some sangria. 1,168 is the peak here. Nothing else. Spoke with a Portuguese man, and later his woman came up and we continued speaking Portuguese. Talked mostly about the Camino I did from Lisbon to Santiago Compostela, and also a bit about I was thinking about going to Madeira. And he asked a lot about flying drones and the rules, and if you could get one. I said, yeah, if you get one, get one. A British girl from London, that told me a few days ago, I think it was, like she had a big decision to make, and that was her thing. So she would come to make a decision if she was going to go into university and be, as she said, committed to that sort of life, or if you should choose the freely life. Which I said, oh yeah, I understand what you mean, because I have chose that path, you can say. I never went into university. And we talked a bit on the trail here. And I remember one line from Matrix that was very suitable. That if you can't make a decision, always think like this, or I always think like this: the decision is already taken. Now we can only understand why we made it. That's the oracle, I think, in the first one. Not sure which movie it is. So it means like she's already made a decision. Now she have to figure out why. She will probably choose the safe one, I guess. I mean, most of us would choose the safe options. But if she understands why she made this decision, maybe she can change it in the near future if she feels like, oh, this is not for me. But maybe I needed to experience this to know it wasn't for me, and now I know, so I shouldn't waste more time. Making decisions is a very interesting topic. If we not make decision, that's also a decision to not make a decision. And I would say that's the worst decision we ever can make. Only my opinion again, of course. I know a lot of you disagree to what I'm saying here.